Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. So today you will play the game to enhance your understanding about addition numbers up to 999 with and without regrouping. So today your teacher will give you the link to play the game. You can click the link if your teacher sent it to your WhatsApp group, and then please click it. After you click the link, you will see the game that you will play. So this is the game 3-digit addition train addition. So please click play this green button, and then you can click myself, I'm a student. After that, please insert your date of birth. I mean your birthday. So for example, June, I just choose randomly. But later, please do it correctly. Okay, after that, you wait the game to load. Please click the green button, green play button. So this is the game. There will be a train and then the numbers below it, and plus number and minus numbers. Okay, and then you will see the shape of coal, which is the petroleum for the train. There is 1 number, 10 number, and 100 number. And then here you see the problem 325 plus 73. And then you can add it first. So what is the result of 325 plus 73? Is equal to 398, right? So to make the train go forward, you choose the coal that can make the train come forward. For example, if you choose 1 and put it into this fire, the train will go forward. And then if you choose 10, it will also move forward. If you add 100, it will go faster. Okay, but it's too far, right, for the result? Is too far, so you move this to minus, not to plus. Here, if you move it to minus, the train will go back to the number before it. So remember, the result is 398. Okay, you choose 10, it will move back. Choose 10 again. Choose 10 again. Choose 10. Okay, remember what's the result? 398. Right now the train is in 397. So you have to move 1 number again. So please move it to the plus so the train can go forward. So it only lasts 1. So if you add 1, it will go directly to 398. After that, you can click done. So after you click done, you will have a new problem. So here 346 plus 145. Okay, so I hope you understand the explanation of this game ya. So you can play this game until finish. Please give it a try. Good luck everyone.